Alright, this is future me. This is part 2 of the KTM rebuild refreshing series. Okay, so we're going to start taking out the motor. We have the swing arm mount, which is connected to the motor right here. We have another motor mount right here, and we have one right here. So we're just going to start tearing into this thing, really.
Yeah, it feels like it's spinning. Oop, nope, she's coming.
There we go.
Okay. Hi. Are you queen of the world?
Motor mount 1 is done at the bottom, and the headlight's on. We just have the upper motor mount to do next. Alright, so we got the upper motor mount done, and the engine should be just free floating basically.
Get our carburetor up out of the way.
We'll be right back. We're waiting for Dad to get the ratchet, so I'm gonna clean the shop a bit. Oh, the broom's not in here. That sucks. Never mind, cancel that. Alright, back to business.
There we go.
Alright, so we got the engine moved from the KTM bench to this workbench. We got it right here. We just drained the oil out of it, and we're just gonna clean it up a bit here.
Just be careful so it doesn't fly up on the... There we go.
What are we doing right now?
We are going to remove this nut so we can take the flywheel off.
Alright.
We're going to use the Ugga machine for this one.
See if this works better.
Oh, I'm using my leverage here. Huh, look at that. And of course, it's not just going to slip off. You're going to have to go to town and get a flywheel puller. I do not have one here. And this thing does not want to come off, so we're going to have to just get behind it with a tool and get it to pop.
Alright.
Got my gear puller from town to try and take this flywheel off. Hopefully this goes as well as it does in my head. Get it set up. Put a little tension on with the puller. And we should be able to just give it a rap with the hammer and have it pop loose. Not pop loose.
Just crank it until it comes.
Nope. I've done this before.
That didn't do
That didn't do what it was supposed to do.
Alright, so we had to do some customizing to the tool to make it fit under this
It's gonna be
little
hot.
latch. Alright, after some time we got the flywheel off, and now we're just going to split the cases so we can take a look at the transmission.
The case half that we just took off the KTM, and the reason we split the cases is because we noticed during some post-season inspection there's a crack that runs from here up and over all the way around. Now everything else appears to be good on this case. There's no other problems with it, so it's just this one crack. So we're going to take it to a friend of ours and have him TIG weld this shut, and that way we make sure it's all sealed up and we're not leaking oil out, we're not leaking moisture in, and we'll have a good sealed up transmission again.